Go on a magical sing-along safari with the Animal Adventure Learning Table. Lights twinkle to musical beats as your child discovers bright colors and new shapes.
1, 2, 3, come on.
From learning to play mode with the flip of a switch.
Hello, let's explore. Glue.
Always ready for the next adventure, the learning table grows with your child. Sit, stand, or cruise with more than 100 tunes and animal fun.
Chomp, chomp, chomp. Hippos chomp. Stomp, stomp, stomp.
Explore 7 activity stations. There's so much for little hands to explore with the Animal Adventure Learning Table.